Hi, this is Harald from A1 Driving School. Today we're showing you a video on what steps to take when turning right onto a country road. Let's go and have a look. Okay, when approaching an intersection on a country road and turning right, the first thing we do is check the rear vision mirror. We have a look ahead, we can see this intersection, the road is an 80-kilometer zone and it's controlled by a stop sign. We indicate nice and early, coming up nice and slow because I have to make a stop anyway, and it'll give me a little bit of extra time to have a good look at the traffic to make sure it's safe. I must make sure I select a gap in the traffic that will allow me to come around without the other traffic slowing down for me. I gently come around. Once I come around, I accelerate firm, quickly pick up my speed to my maximum, have a good look ahead to see what's happening, and once settled, I recheck my rear vision mirror. Thank you for watching our video on what steps to take when turning right onto a country road. We hope you found it useful. Next time we're showing you what steps to take when driving around bends on country roads.